Hi, this is Jim Stewart with SAP Cookbook. Hey, SAP is one of the highest compensated skill sets on the planet because there are barriers to entrance. It's hard to get a job in SAP, and it's hard for a reason. It's hard for two reasons. The first is that information technology does not have any formal process of apprenticeship. Like other professions in the medical business, you're an intern and a resident. If you're a police officer, you're a rookie. These things have established and formal programs by which you become an able professional or an experienced professional. Now, SAP and information technology are relatively new and they're different. So people with no experience have a very hard time entering the field. Now, and this is why I've developed a course, Breaking into SAP. It teaches you just the skills you need to know to get a job in SAP. The second reason acquiring SAP skills has been difficult is traditionally it's been very hard to get access to SAP to practice. Now other programming disciplines like C++, you can just download a compiler and start using the software, getting practice with it that way. And I would say just within the last year or so, you can now purchase access to demo systems, SAP demo systems. So this combined with the advice that I can give you in my Breaking into SAP program, I think is going to get you very close to qualifying yourself to work in SAP. And that's really exciting because I think there still is somewhat of a shortage of SAP resources worldwide. There are still many opportunities for people who can acquire the right skill sets, and that's what Breaking into SAP is all about. Now, I get hundreds of emails and phone calls all day long asking, what sort of training should I undergo? What sort of certification process should I go for? And there are many classes out there that are $1,500 US dollars, $2,000 US dollars that just walk you through the configuration. They say, here, we'll teach you FICO, we'll teach you BW, MM, SD, CRM. I don't think these are particularly valuable. Just knowing the technical components of SAP is not nearly enough. Just knowing the configuration is not enough. No, there's much more background. There are many more subtle pieces of information that you need to acquire to help you get the job. And that's what I'm doing with Breaking into SAP. Finally, I'm not charging $2,000 for Breaking into SAP, and I'm not going to charge you $1,500 and throw you into a training program that's of questionable value. I'm going to offer you Breaking into SAP to try for $1 for the first 30 days, so you can see the quality, you can see the videos just like this one, the simulations, you can read the notes that I've prepared. You can get that for $1, and then each month that you remain a student of Breaking into SAP, the fee is only $97. I think this represents, it certainly represents dozens of years of experience I have in the field, years of preparation. I have project implementation notes, the SAP interview question books. The value is in the thousands of what these course materials are actually worth. But if you go sign up right now, you can see it's only $1 to try for the first 30 days. Be my guest and try that out. I hope you enjoy the materials. I know they're valuable because I've been working in SAP my entire career, and I know the market like the back of my hand. So if you need some help breaking into SAP, this is Jim Stewart with SAPCookbook.com. I hope you take advantage of the $1 trial, and thanks very much for reading. And I hope that you are our next success story. So thanks very much, and I'll talk to you soon.